it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and I'll make sure you share it with friends and family. Okay, and of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are some of the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, guys, we're starting with GainX 1200, and of course, guys, I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. I'm just trying to let you see where the downtrend started from. The downtrend actually started from this region, from this resistance zone. Okay, and of course, I remember very well we jumped into it and gave us a lot of profit at the end of the day. There are a lot of pullbacks in between, but it kept on selling. I told us earlier today that it broke out below this support zone, and of course it has gotten to a new support zone, guys. It has gotten to a new support zone. Let me bring this down, okay, because we are waiting for a buy right from there. Okay, so if it should break out below this support zone, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, then it will go fully into an uptrend. So we are waiting for an uptrend to happen right from there. The only reason why it will not happen is if it breaks out below the support zone. That is just the only reason why it will not happen. But if it does not, then it will definitely happen. So let's check it out together. So if it's going to go on full uptrend, then we expect it to break out from here. From here, guys, it should pick it up right from there. Okay, and of course we can target this region first. Okay, so okay, let me do it this way and bring this down. Okay, so this first, then next to this, then next to this. Okay, so that is it. So that is if it's activate this and goes up. Okay, but if it does not, it will break out below this because it's trying to switch into an uptrend right from here. But if it breaks out below this support zone, then it will keep on selling, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so guys, we expect buying from there, but it can also break out below the support zone to sell. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Still on 15-minute time frame. GainX 999 actually got to the resistance zone at this point, and it switched into a downtrend, and it gave us some selling point right there, and it has been selling, guys. It has been selling. I am expecting it to get to this region. Okay, I am expecting it to get to this region, guys. So you should watch out for that. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is PayNext 1200. This has also been on a very strong uptrend. I remember we actually milked this particular asset right from here, and it has gotten to a new resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there. So let's quickly see some setup we can do for that also. Okay, so this is switching into a downtrend right from there. The only reason why it will not sell is if it goes back to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so I'm going to give us this as our entry point. Okay, I'm going to give us this as our entry point because I want to believe that even if it's going to pull back, then it should pull back before it gets to this entry point. So once it activates this entry point, I believe that it should sell right from there. And this is going to be our first TP. Right here, we're going to have our second TP. Okay, then the third TP should be somewhere here. Then okay, sorry, let me adjust it a bit again. Okay, good. Then we should have our fourth TP somewhere here, and right there should be the fifth TP. So we should watch out for that. Okay. So now this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Then now let's move on to PayNext 999. So guys, this is Spain 999. This is on, it has been on uptrend for a while. It has achieved all the highlighted TPs around here, and it has gotten to a new resistance. And if it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, then it will switch into a downtrend. But for now, it is still buying. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is FX volume 80. This has been on downtrend for a very long time. You can see it right from here. It started the downtrend, and I remember very well we actually milked this asset, but it has given us all our TPs already. But it's kept on breaking out below all these support zones. You can see then it actually broke out from here also, which happened to be another support zone. It broke out from here, and of course it has broken out from here also, guys. So this is how it works, guys, and this is how it has been operating since. Okay, so this has been mainly on downtrend. It has got into another region again. If it should break out below it, then definitely it's going to sell more. So for now, this is still more of a downtrend than an uptrend, so we should watch out for that. It is more of a selling opportunity. I mean, it is giving us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.